Welcome back to Coin Spyder, the only place where little coins reveal huge mysteries. Today, we are diving into a story that sounds insane but is absolutely real. Imagine a coin that everybody ignores. A coin worth just 10 sen, found in your pocket, on the floor, maybe under your sofa. And one day, that same coin sells for more than 61,840 ringgit. Yes, you heard me right. A small 10 sen coin, 2006 Malaysian 10 sen, can reach beyond 61,840 ringgit in special cases. But wait, don't rush to your drawer yet, because there's something you must know first. These coins do not become valuable just because they are old. There is a hidden reason, and today we're going to break it down thoroughly. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you might discover a treasure lying silently inside your house. Why this coin is special? This is the 2006 Malaysia 10 sen with the hibiscus, Malaysia's national flower, on the front. And on the reverse, something truly cultural. The wooden kongkak board, a symbol of Southeast Asian heritage. This is not just a coin. It's history, it's culture, it's a memory of traditional childhood games. But cultural value alone doesn't make it worth thousands. Here's the shocking part. There are rare mint errors, and those mistakes are what makes some 2006 coins jump to over 61,840 ringgit in auction houses. So before you assume every 10 sen is a jackpot, let's expose the truth. Why hidden coins can become future treasures. Most people look at coins only for spending, not collecting. They see small value and they assume nothing special is hidden in them. But collectors don't see coins that way. They treat coins like small pieces of history frozen in metal. A coin that looks ordinary may suddenly become priceless if it holds a special error, a rare striking pattern, or even a cultural symbol printed during a specific year. When these tiny details are discovered, collectors begin bidding against one another, not because of silver or metal value, but because they want to own something that very few people in the world have. This desire to own something rare is what transforms a simple 10 sen coin into a treasure. Most valuable coins were once ignored. Here is something shocking. Many coins that are sold today for thousands were once ignored, tossed into piggy banks, and treated as useless change. People had them in their pockets, dropped them on the ground, gifted them to kids, and even used them for vending machines. Nobody cared until collectors realized how limited or error-filled they were. The truth is, value doesn't suddenly appear in a coin. It is discovered. Someone out there today may have a rare 2006 10 sen coin inside a drawer right now, without any idea that it could be worth more than a whole month's salary or even the price of a motorbike. That's why coin collecting is not just a hobby, it's a hunt. You might already own something valuable without knowing it. Imagine this. You open your old wallet, find a 10 sen coin, and think it's useless. You toss it into a jar filled with small coins that you never use. Days pass, months pass, even years. One day someone tells you that certain 10 sen coins are being auctioned for tens of thousands of ringgit. You rush to check the jar, and suddenly your heart beats faster because you realize you might have one too. This is the beauty of numismatics. Value hides quietly, waiting to be discovered. And the best part is, you don't need to be rich to find a rare coin. You just need awareness, knowledge, and a little curiosity. That curiosity is exactly what can lead you to a hidden treasure already in your home. Real market value. Let's keep it absolutely clear. Most regular 10 sen 2006 coins are worth only 10 sen to 2 ringgit and 50 sen. Yeah, just normal. But a rare mint error or a condition in extremely high grade can skyrocket the value. Here's where it gets exciting. There are 3 types of coins that can go past 61,840 plus in professional auctions. High-grade uncirculated, MS65 to MS68. These coins are untouched glossy, like a mirror free from scratches, professionally graded by companies like NGC, Numismatic Guarantee Company, PCGS, Professional Coin Grading Service. If a 2006 10 sen is graded MS66 or MS67, the value can easily jump into thousands. But that's not enough to cross RM 61,840. For that price, something even rarer must happen. Mint error coins. This is where the madness begins. If your 2006 10 sen coin contains one of these rare errors, off-center strike, double die error, design printed twice, planchet error, made on the wrong metal, broad strike, clipped edges, blank planchet errors, then the price can leap to the next level. Collectors love errors. Why? Because they were not meant to exist. A coin printed wrongly, accidentally, can become more valuable than gold. And yes, some error coins can surpass 61,840 plus ringgit in bidding wars. There are ultra-rare variations due to early die polishing, experimental, dies low-pressure strikes. These are extremely hard to find and only identifiable by experts. Such coins have been seen selling above 61,840 ringgit or more in aggressive auctions, especially when two collectors fight over the same piece. Because rare collecting is emotional. Sometimes the buyer doesn't pay for the metal, they pay for obsession. Where can these coins sell for high value? You must know where real auctions happen, not on random social media scammers. Here are trusted Malaysian auction platforms: Museum Negara, Numismatic Auctions, Borneo, Numismatic Society, Auctions, KNM Auction, by Bank Negara Malaysia, Malaysia, Numismatic Society, MNS, Kuala Lumpur. Auctions online trusted platforms used by Malaysian collectors, collectibles.com.my Trigo Numis Auctions, Facebook groups, verified, Malaysia Rare Coins, Marketplace, MNS official groups, never sell blindly, never sell cheap. How to check if your coin is rare. You don't need special tools. Start simple. Use a flashlight to check. Scratches, polish, mint errors. Use a macro mobile lens. Cheap online to inspect. Edges letter, spacing, reverse engraving. Take clear photos and ask the community, or comment below with pictures. And if it looks promising, here's what makes it officially valuable. Send for professional grading, PCGS Malaysia Submission Centers, NGC authorized dealers in Kuala Lumpur and Selangor. A certified coin is trusted worldwide. Want to sell your coin? Here comes the curiosity part. As you watch this video right now, auctions are being arranged. Collectors are looking for this exact coin. If you genuinely think your 2006 sen might be special, comment below, "I have one," and we'll guide you how to evaluate it free, no fees, no fear. Maybe you are sitting on a fortune. Maybe your coin is worth more than you ever imagined. Why leave it unknown? Think about it. Many people throw away small coins. They don't see value in the little things. But history has proven big treasures hide in small places. Somewhere right now, maybe in your drawer, in your old wallet, in a dusty jar, a 10 sen coin might be waiting, not shining, but priceless. Don't ignore what looks ordinary, because sometimes ordinary is legendary. If you want professional guidance, auction updates, real coin values, and maybe your own coin to sell for thousands. Hit like, subscribe right now to Coin Spyder. Comment. If you have the coin, share this video to every Malaysian friend. Let's build a community that discovers treasures together. Coin Spyder. We don't collect coins. We uncover history. See you in the next hunt.